Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix ISDone.dll dynamic link library and Unarc.dll. So this is related with or when you are trying to install PC games as well as a program of a large size. Large games or program have a compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. This eat up your PC RAM as well as hard drive. While installation, if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So the first thing to do, you can try the first method here. Thanks to a answer that Microsoft, a thanks to Orlando to provide us this article. So you can try to press plus R Windows plus R, sorry, to launch Run. Here you can type sysdmcpl or sysdm.cpl. You can click OK. Here we go. This is the system properties of your PC or laptop. You can click Advanced, click on Performance Settings. Again, you can click Advanced and change the virtual memory here. So you can untick the automatically manage paging file size for all hard drive and use the custom size instead. And here we go, you can fill the blank initial size megabyte and maximum size megabyte based on your PC RAM or your laptop RAM. For example, for most games 2.5 gigabyte is enough. So the value which will work in most cases is 403,000. Note that the values are in megabytes, so this had maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 gigabyte. So I hope you understand. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.